In today's video, we're diving headfirst into a wild and captivating scenario. 100 men versus one gorilla. Picture the tension, the energy, the sheer unpredictability when human determination goes up against the untamed force of nature. This one-of-a-kind situation puts our ideas of strength, unity, and survival instincts to the ultimate test. As we peel back the layers of this intense thought experiment, we'll discover powerful insights about cooperation, resilience, and what happens when pressure pushes us to the edge. Buckle up. This is a mental challenge that will make you rethink what it really means to stand together in the face of overwhelming odds. Picture a dense, untamed jungle brimming with life, a place where towering trees claw at the heavens, and a riot of vibrant foliage weaves together a mesmerizing tapestry of greens. The air hangs heavy with moisture, while the symphony of chirping birds and whispering leaves pulses through the thick atmosphere. This wild, unforgiving terrain becomes both the stage and the proving ground for our 100 men and the lone gorilla. With every hidden danger and natural obstacle, the jungle raises the stakes, transforming this scenario into a thrilling battle for survival and a powerful test of unity and strategy. Our story centers on a diverse group of 100 men, each one contributing a distinct set of skills and life experiences, ranging from battle-hardened survivalists and sharp-minded strategists to everyday individuals thrust into the unknown. This mix creates a vivid mosaic of personalities and problem-solving styles, making their interactions as unpredictable as they are compelling. Standing in stark contrast is the gorilla, a towering embodiment of primal power and instinct, yet also possessing a surprising level of intelligence and social nuance that pushes the men to rethink their assumptions. The dynamics that unfold are anything but simple, as these individuals must grapple with their differences while facing the awe-inspiring and ever-present challenge of the gorilla in their midst. Tensions reach a boiling point as the men, driven by a mix of survival instincts and the urge to assert control, unknowingly trespass into the heart of the gorilla's domain. For the gorilla, it's not just territory, it's home, a place worth defending with unyielding force. Sensing an imminent threat, its primal instincts kick in, fueled by the need to protect what's sacred. As the men scramble to devise a strategy, the gorilla's imposing presence hangs over them like a storm cloud, thickening the air with suspense. This volatile standoff sets the stage for a riveting showdown, where both sides must wrestle with their deepest instincts and desires, culminating in a clash that pushes each of them to the brink. As the men come face to face with the formidable gorilla, a critical realization dawns. They're only as strong as their ability to work together. Urgency drives them to unite, blending their wide range of talents into a cohesive strategy that transforms chaos into coordination. Yet standing against them is the gorilla, a living force of nature whose sheer strength and instinctual finesse can dismantle any solo effort with terrifying ease. This stark contrast amplifies the story's core message, urging viewers to reflect on the true power of collaboration. It's a compelling reminder that while raw strength is undeniably powerful, the synergy of teamwork can forge a force capable of confronting even the most overwhelming odds. This scenario presents powerful moral and ethical undertones, shedding light on the delicate balance between brute strength and the spirit of cooperation. It reminds us that while individual might can command attention, lasting success often emerges from empathy, unity, and shared effort. Drawing clear parallels to real-life struggles, this story becomes a metaphor for moments where teamwork becomes the key to pushing past obstacles, be it in the workplace, within families, or in our personal growth. As viewers absorb the outcomes, they're invited to look inward and ask how these lessons might apply to their own journeys, inspiring a mindset rooted in connection, resilience, and the courage to stand together when it counts most. In summary, we've journeyed through the gripping scenario of 100 men versus one gorilla, uncovering powerful themes of unity, strength, and the raw will to survive. This exploration has underscored the vital role of collaboration in overcoming obstacles and the delicate balance between individual power and the synergy of collective effort. If this discussion sparked your curiosity or challenged your thinking, we invite you to subscribe to the channel for more thought-provoking content. Be sure to like this video and share it with others who'd enjoy diving into these unique ideas. And don't stop here. Check out our related videos to keep the momentum going on your path of discovery and insight.